All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Really sorry about yesterday. I didn't get a video up. I did actually do electrical work yesterday, which I said I was going to do. I was working at the hospital and we were doing cut-in boxes because they're adding plugs and low voltage on existing walls, outside exterior walls. So we had to cut in a bunch of plugs and low voltage cut-in rings, and then I went down to a different floor and was helping out another guy, and we were doing more cut-in stuff and existing walls already, which was plaster. There was also some plaster upstairs as well, but if you've ever tried to do that, it's a disaster. The only footage that I got was a couple pictures, which I am sorry to announce. I know there's a lot of people that don't like pictures, but that's all I got because there was like 7 guys still working upstairs, and I didn't get a chance to take any pictures or anything. As soon as I remembered I needed to take pictures, I was walking out the door and going to grab my tools and get escorted out of the building first to get rid of my security badge or whatnot. So couldn't really get any footage. I just haven't been really in the right, I don't know how to say this, but I haven't really been in the right place or right time to make videos at the end of the day anymore, because usually everyone is still working after me. And recently, like, I've been doing the HVAC VAVs for the last month and a half or 2 months. So the daily videos will come back at some point, but right now I'm trying to just do stuff out in the garage in the meantime, just to give you guys some content and teach you guys some stuff if that's what you're here for. So daily videos will come back at some point, but right now, I don't know when that will be, so I apologize, but just stick around, please. Bear with me. I'm working on getting stuff as soon as I can, depending on the job sites. But the job site that I'm at right now, I was back at the school today, and I think we only have like maybe another 2 or 3 days at the most on the VAVs. And then after that, I'm not sure if there's going to be other low voltage stuff to work on or not. So there could be a new job site coming up within the week, but I'm not sure. But I will obviously keep you guys posted. And I have 0 plans for tomorrow, so I'm going to try to get out at least a couple videos, or at least record a couple videos out in the garage doing some tutorials, so look forward to that. But anyways, I'll show you guys the pictures and try to explain a little bit what I was working on, at least in the plaster walls, yesterday, halfway through the day. So anyways, guys, thanks for bearing with me. I appreciate it, and I will try to get you guys as best of content as I can as soon as I can. Thanks, guys. Peace. Let's get on to the pictures. Alright, so these were the boxes that I was working on or helping my coworker work on. They're plaster walls, and as far as I know, I have no idea how to attach things to the plaster, but anyways, my coworker said just to tie them to the pipe and make it sturdy, and so that's what we did. I know that's really ghetto and probably illegal, but that's what we did. So we made it work and got everything rewired in there. There was some flexes coming down out of that bottom hole, and then we just brought them into this box and cut them in. Alright, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. That should do it. Peace out.